Here's my mom, and I was gonna be showing you how to make a milk bottle with natural string and flowers and water. So first it starts like this, and then it turns to be this, and then it turns to be this.
Let's start it.
And you have to put some flowers inside and natural string, and you have to put water inside.
Okay, how you do it, Joe?
I did not do it.
Yeah, you show. Oh no. Yeah.
So you have to get the natural string first, and then you have to do this, and it has to be tight. And then you spin it 10 times from this way. So I did it 10 times, and then you do that.
Tied it? Not tied.
So
Because this is for to be the hook.
So I have to have my mom because I don't know how to do it yet.
Right here, the hook like this.
So you have to make a hook.
And that for the hang on the chair or on the peel. That is called peel end. And we tie a big mini bow in the front to make them look pretty, isn't it, Olivia?
Yes.
Right.
What's this for, Mommy?
Right, enough. Right, come on, concentrate, honey. Right, yeah. Right, when they're finished then?
When they're finished, you have to put flowers. It can be different color, or it can be white. And then you put, so Mommy, go get the flowers.
Yeah, don't worry. You can show when finished gonna be like this.
So you have to put flowers and water, and then I'm not going to show you how to do that because you can use your own imagination. And then this is what it looks like at the end.
You can hang on there, like this.
It will look like that.
Yeah. Okay, and?
Thank you for watching. Bye bye. See you on next video.